In this video, we will learn to find the equation of a quadratic function passing through 3 points. In this example, the quadratic function is passing through points 1 minus 7, 6, 48 and minus 1 minus 15. So let this equation be ax squared plus bx plus c. Now let us see what happens when x equals 1. When x is 1, y is minus 7. So we feed these values to the equation. So we get the first equation, minus 7 equals a plus b plus c. And so we are getting two more equations. 48 equals 36a plus 6x, 6b, sorry, it has to be 6b, 6b plus c, and minus 15 equals a minus b plus c. Now we will use TI calculator, scratchpad, calculator, menu, algebra. We are selecting linear equations. Number of equations is 3. Variables, we are selecting a, b and c. Enter the equations and we'll get a equals 1, b equals 4 and c equals minus 12. Just a point here, in the second equation it is 36a plus 6b plus c. Okay, there is a mistake there. So that is 6x, it is not 6x, it is 6b. So we get this data, we get these values here. So in TI calculator, we are using the function to solve system of linear equations, that is linsolve, and we are feeding in these three equations and we get 1, 4 and minus 12. So the equation is x squared plus 4x minus 12. Now if this equation is given, how to find the roots, vertex, and then equation of axis of symmetry? That is the next question now. If the function is x squared plus 4x minus 12, how to find these things? First, I go to the calculator, scratchpad, graph. I enter the graph, x squared plus 4x minus 12. And then I'm going to menu. I adjust using zoom function. Then I go for analysis. In the first step, I analyze 0. I take the cursor to the left of the 0, one of the zeros, and then I drag it to the right. Click again, and the root is displayed, minus 6, 0. That is the one root. Next, to find the second root, I repeat the same steps. That is, I take the cursor to the left of the 0, click once, then I drag it to the right, click another time, and it displays 2, 0. After finding the two roots, minus 6 and 2, next step is to find the vertex. Here the vertex is minimum. So to find minimum, I go for again analysis, minimum, then I move the cursor, I take the cursor to the left of the minimum, I click once, and then I drag the line to the right, click another time, and that displays the minimum, minus 2, minus 16. So the minimum or the vertex is at minus 2, minus 16. That means the axis of symmetry is x equals minus 12. Sorry, minus 2. Next, to find y-intercept, yes, it is very easy to find. Look at the equation, x squared plus 4x minus 12, and there c, value of c is minus 12, so the y-intercept is negative 12. Hope you understood this. Now here is an exercise for you. The first set of points, minus 4, 0, minus 2, minus 20, 6 and minus 20. What you need to do is, you come up with three linear equations in a, b and c, and then feed it to the calculator, find the values of a, b and c. And once you get a, b and c, you plot the graph, find its vertex, roots, axis of symmetry, and y-intercept. You can pause the video and do it yourself, and you may check the answer after you are ready. The answer to the first question is this one. Answer to the second question is this. And in the next page, you will find the answer to the third question. Here you go. Thank you.